Okay, let's make some Mountain Dew chicken. We're gonna start out by using a whole chicken, and I'm not sure how much this one weighed. My husband's trimming off some of the fat. Make sure you cut that tail off. Grab your favorite seasoning. This is one I picked up somewhere at a grocery store and actually forgot about, but it was really good. But go ahead and season this, be generous. Now, my husband has been giving me lessons on the grill over the course of the summer. And if you've been watching my videos, you know that. And when Danny and I married, we actually fought over the kitchen. I know that sounds crazy. I couldn't stand him standing over me all the time. And it was like my mother all over again. And I had never seen a man in the kitchen like my husband, but he loves to cook and so do I. But eventually we came to an agreement and we turn on the music. Lots of music. When we get together, we can really roll out some good food out of this kitchen. But when it comes to the grill, he does dominate. Now let's get back to this chicken. Put that chicken on the stand. You'll pop open the top of your Mountain Dew before you put it on. You can purchase these stands probably on Amazon and just put it on there. Put it on the grill. Make sure your grill's at 350 degrees. Keep it at that level. Cook it for an hour and a half and voila. This was so easy, guys. I could not believe how easy this was.